Hello and welcome to the program. What a day in stocks today. Last week was a red week, just like the week before. So here we are on the S&P 500. We're about 15 minutes to the Monday's close here. There's a weekly chart, and you can see last week was down. We stayed above 443, which was very good. We did not break down to 431. I thought there was a chance we might be able to trade between 451 and 461. Well, we broke below 451, but we're holding above 443, so that's looking pretty good. That's looking bullish. It's still holding strong. The S&P is definitely fighting back. No doubt about it. Let's take a look at that on a daily chart. So here it is on a downtrend slightly. Let's see, we'll draw a little. Well, we'll just leave that there. So that's the trend we're at. We're holding support. Let's see what happens. So the daily chart is, do we see anything happening here? Well, you know, there was profit taking had to come into effect here. So, but today, look, it's coming back strong today. We opened up at 444 and we're at 447. Not bad. Let's take a look at the QQQ daily chart. Very similar to the SPY. We did break below 371, but we're staying above 359, which is good. In fact, it pulled back to 364, which could have been a support right here. Draw a little circle there. There. We pulled back to the same range. So we're going to have to see what happens there. Is that going to be support? We'll have to find out. Definitely looks like it could be. So we'll leave that there. We'll take a look and see what happens if that's a QQQ on a daily chart here. There's been a lot of other big gappers. For example, U.S. Steel up 37%. Look at this gap up. Here we go. Look at the volume on that too. Apparently they received some unsolicited offers to buy out U.S. Steel for $35 a share. That's pretty impressive. And S-Mark also put out an offering for $35, but Cleveland Cliffs, it's a steel company. They initially wanted to buy U.S. Steel early this morning. We'll take a look at that on a 10-minute chart. You can see that gap up. Wait a minute here. Why is it all gray? It's interesting. Go back to the daily chart. Go back to a 1-minute chart. I don't know what happened here. 10-minute chart. Almost been a little error there. But anyway, you can see the gap up here. Okay, pre-market. It was 22.63. Opened up at 25.94. This was a good, for me, this was the trade of the day. Okay, I was swing trading this. I bought the dips on Friday. It ripped today. Did not expect that huge takeoff, but a 5% turned into a 20% winner. So I'm not going to complain about that. So, but I think it's definitely needs to sell down. It's coming down. Let's see. Take a look at that 1-minute chart. See what that looks like. See, it rallied all of a sudden at about 2-3 o'clock. It jumped from $30 to $32.52, and now it's working its way down. So that was pretty impressive. That was a heck of a move today. Nvidia 6.75% today. Look, that's shooting up pretty nice. Let's take a look at that on a weekly chart and see what we're really looking at here. Okay, it broke down to about 404, but it opened up and we're up to 436, so it's definitely holding this area of support. We'll have to see what happens. AMD's up 3.76%. They're holding that trend line. This would be not a bad place to buy, because it is on that. Let's draw another trend line, the upper trend line here. So I see an upper trend line approximately right around here. So it looks like it's going to be trading between that range. Okay, and we'll make this green as well. So there's our trend lines. So it can trade between 111 and say 128. We'll have to see what happens with that. Intel up a small percentage today, 2%. Palantir, small increase today, 2%. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. So here we are today for Palantir. It's still holding this range above. I like to see it hold above 14, so it's doing it. Right now it looked like it captured 15 as a range of support. We'll have to see what happens with that. And let's see, Bank of America went down a lot today, 1.52%. So as far as, small caps, there was some small cap runners today. We got TSHA up 169%. See, we'll go to a 1 minute chart here. It actually made some moves lately, as you can see. Let's bring this to a 5 minute chart. Here we go. So that's been moving up nicely. They lost less money than they were expected, so the stock rallied. They were due to lose 38 cents. They only lost 30 cents, so it's funny how you can make no money and the stocks keep going up. But that's about it for small caps. I mean, 121 million shares in volume. Wow, that's a lot. GNS, but we had enough of that. So we go back to the SPY here. Let's see how it's looking here into the close. It's holding this range of 446, 447. It's a small green day. It's up 0.33%. The Q's up 0.90%. So we'll have to keep an eye on these charts and see what's going on. X though, that was just a really incredible move. US Steel. That was a really nice gap up here. Again, from 22.68 to 32.52. So, we also appreciate you guys watching. If you could please subscribe to the channel, we'd appreciate it. Our goal is to reach 100 subscribers. Please click the like button. Helps get the video out there. So we appreciate you watching. Thank you.